How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to one of my unboxing videos. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing to be honest, I don't even have the official name for this. I will call them the fake AirPods or whatever you call them, dude. I've just got, the real ones cost about £160. These ones, what I got, cost £10. Well, there's a name on the box. It's called I7S TWS. What a weird name. So, that's the box of it. Nothing on the side. Actually, they come in a variety of colors, as you can see. At the back, there's some things that you can read. I don't want to read them out loud. Saves time. You can just pause the video and have a read what it says. So let's get straight into it. And it's a slide open box. And oh, I like the packaging. Nothing in here, but you got this really this case that these Wish. Oh, by the way, I got this from Wish. And this packaging, I love it. I love the feeling of it. So here is the charging dock, what it comes in. And what I have in the box is some instruction manual, completely in Chinese. Actually, wait, it's got some English bits and bobs there. Let me have a look. Yep, probably not going to read that, but you can have a look at the English bit here for yourself. And you can just pause the video there and have a read what it says. Nothing else in the box, and it's also got the micro USB to USB charging slot. Let me just put the case away. And as you can see, the actual box has a button there, which I have no idea what it does. And basically plug the micro USB into here and charge it. I guess any phone's USB lead can go in there to charge it. And it just opens like this. And there are the iPods. Pretty much I'm liking them. They just look just like the real thing. Right, getting them out. Seems like they're pretty plugged. Oh wow, they've got a bit of charge in them. So they're flashing. One of them's flashing red and blue, and so is the other one. And in here, it's not wireless technology, wireless charging, but the hole from the AirPod, well, the headphone, sits inside a little headphone jack thing inside here, which basically that's where the headphone sits on top of, so it gets charged. I have no idea what this means when it's when it's flashing like a bloody police car siren. But yeah, there you have it. That's what you're gonna get out of the box. Both of the headphones have a button here, as well as a microphone hole. So these are gonna look pretty awesome. And yeah, they've got like a little hole there, and they've got a little hole there for the music to come out. Obviously, I have not tried these out one bit, so I will be trying them out. Feel free to flood your comments in my comment boxes, as long as it's not spam, right? As you can see, this is what you can get, and you can ask me any question you want. I will be testing these. These are going to be my new headphones from now on, and I will be writing all the new updates to the review in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Peace out.